Cactus and cactus flowers from Phoenix, Arizona. Prickly pears are a subgroup of Opuntia, identified by their wide, flat, branching pads. They are also called nopal cactus or paddle cactus. The pads, flowers, and fruit are edible. Most prickly pear cactus have yellow, red, or purple flowers, even among the same species. This blooming ocotillo in North Scottsdale faces the town of Carefree, Arizona. This barrel cactus lives on Camelback Mountain in Phoenix, a popular spot for visiting photographers. This close-up photo of a barrel cactus includes a view north to the city of Phoenix from the Cholla Trail of Camelback Mountain. Cactus native to Central and South America are found at the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, Arizona. This blooming yucca plant thrives at the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix, Arizona. Cereus giganteus or saguaro produces an average of 295 flowers per season. An average honeybee colony collects 10 ounces of saguaro pollen over the season. Cholla cactus blooms appear in May in Prescott, Arizona, about 100 miles north of Phoenix. You can peel away the purple, red, and sometimes green prickly skin of the cactus pear to expose soft, ruby red or golden-colored flesh with tiny, edible seeds. These plants look like handheld burning torchlights. The word ocotillo means little torch in Spanish. A cactus that turns purple when it's exposed to cool and dry conditions. A plant turning purple is a sign that it is responding to environmental stress. Succulents such as agave and some varieties of aloe also become reddish, burgundy, or purple when stressed. This small, barrel-shaped cactus is also known as scarlet or crimson hedgehog cactus. Hedgehog cactus produce blooms of orange, pink, and red flowers. The beginning of summer heat must signal prickly pear cactus that it's time to bloom. Flowering begins in mid to late May and can extend into July. This beautiful blooming cactus flower, photographed in Tucson, Arizona, is about 100 miles southeast of Phoenix. Ocotillo plants bloom once in the spring from March through June. Hummingbirds are common pollinators for these plants. This agave plant thrives in the desert of the Sunset Point Rest area in Black Canyon City, about 20 miles north of Phoenix. This ocotillo blooms on Superstition Mountain in Apache Junction, 30 miles east of Phoenix. This beautiful cactus bloom, photographed at the Boyce Thompson Arboretum in Superior, Arizona, is one of Arizona's state parks. This large white bloom belongs to an organ pipe cactus, Stenosurius thurberi. The flower measures 8 inches across. This orange cactus flower, photographed in Mesa, Arizona, is 20 miles east of Phoenix. Barrel cactus in bloom at the Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix. The Desert Botanical Garden features many types of blooming prickly pear cactus. The saguaro cactus forms clusters of flowers. The Saguaro Flower is Arizona's official state flower. This flowering hedgehog cactus, Echinopsis Engelmanni, lives in the desert region of the McDowell Mountains in Phoenix. Pincushion cactus is an early bloomer, usually right after the first summer rain. This cactus flower thrives at a water trail off of the Apache Trail, Highway 88. Cactus flowers bloom near the Salt River in Phoenix. The beautiful orange or pink flowers of Cholla cactus are most visible in the late afternoon of the hotter months, May to July, at Cave Creek Recreational Area. The Marriott Camelback Inn in Scottsdale features some beautiful cactus blooms in spring. This prickly pear flower summons a bee in northeast Phoenix. This Engelmanns Hedgehog cactus is in bloom with bright pink flowers. Horticulturalists at Desert Botanical Garden in Phoenix think this cactus is a hybrid of the Cardon Grande, Echinopsis terscheki, and Echinopsis tachyquirensis, a plant native to Bolivia. This Argentine giant, Echinopsis Candicans, is getting ready to open its gorgeous, huge, yellowish-white blooms. Blooms typically last for only 1 or 2 days. This Argentine giant is in bloom in Sun Lakes, Arizona, a community 25 miles south of Phoenix. Bees fly in formation around saguaro flowers. The saguaro flower is about a 3-inch wide cluster of creamy white petals around a dense group of yellow stamens on about a 4-inch long stem. Beautiful, huge blooms on the Argentine giant, Echinopsis Candicans, usually bloom in March through May in the Sonoran Desert area. This Argentine giant is in full bloom in Apache Junction. This plant, cultivated from a cutting, was never watered, never fertilized. 4 years later, it produced more than 120 blossoms over 22 days. Cactus blooms photographed from the Gateway Trail in Scottsdale. These cactus blooms flowered along the Gateway Trail within the Scottsdale-McDowell Sonoran Preserve. These cactus plants are in bloom at Canyon Lake near Tortilla Flat, one of the last surviving stagecoach stops along the Apache Trail. This cactus flower is a spiny star, Escobaria vivipara, in Salome in La Paz County in eastern Arizona. Night blooming cereus is the common name for this type of cactus that blooms at night. During the day, its flowers remain closed. This pink cereus blooms in North Phoenix. Barrel cactus blooms are usually bright yellow or orange. Pink and red flowers occur but are rarer. Aloe vera in bloom has unusual orange flowers. This photo is from Boyce Thompson Arboretum in Superior, Arizona, outside of Phoenix. In the foreground is this blooming Ocotillo shrub with many saguaros in the background. This photo is from Cave Creek Regional Park, north of Phoenix. The Ocotillo, often called a cactus, is not a true cactus. It is a succulent that grows in similar conditions. Teddy bear cholla, left, and barrel cactus, right, reside with saguaros near the mountainous area of Cave Creek Regional Park. Cactus blooms in May at Cave Creek Regional Park. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.